Good morning, folks. Mobile Geezer here with another unboxing of a new phone. This time it's going to be the Xiaomi Mi A3. So let's get this box opened up. Ordered this off Amazon 2 days ago. So let's see everything that's in the box. Usual pamphlets, and we've got a case. Very nice. I always like when a case is included. There's our SIM ejection tool, which I won't need. There's the international plug, which I won't need since I ordered it in America. They sent another plug, which looks like this plug goes into here. This is just fine. I probably won't need the plugs at all. And there's our power cord. And it looks like that's all that's in the box. So this is my third Xiaomi Mi. This is the A1, the A2, the A3. Looks like it's certainly going to be smaller than Mi A2. I'll give you a size comparison in a minute. There's the phone. This one is color is called Not Just Blue. You could also get the international version in gray, but I'm glad I chose this. That's a beautiful color. Look at that light reflecting off of there. That is really nice. So here it is next to the Mi A1. Mi A1's a little wider. And here it is next to the Mi A2. Turn it over. See what that looks like. So, just wanted to give you a quick size comparison with the last two versions. Peel this off. Take a quick look around. Got a power button, a volume up and down right here. A SIM tray up on the left side. Up top, microphone, headphone jack, which we see less and less on other places. I believe that's an IR blaster. There's our notch for our front camera. On the bottom, speaker grill. I'm guessing one is just a dummy, and of course our USB Type-C in. So on the back we've got the triple camera. It's 48 megapixel f1.8 and 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel f2.4 depth sensor, and video will shoot at 2160p at 30 fps and 1080p of course at 30 and 60 and 120 for slow motion. And our selfie camera, it's 32 megapixel, never had a 32 before, and that will shoot at 1080p at 30 frames per second. It's a 6.1 inch display, and I'm going to try to power this up and see if we've got any power. It looks like we do, so I'm going to get this set up and I'll get back to you. So we're all set up, and of course we're still copying the apps, but it looks good. course, it is a fingerprint magnet. And what haven't I told you yet? Oh, the display is 720 by 1560. Hopefully that won't bother me. I usually don't mind 1080p displays. I haven't had a 720 in a while, but we'll see how it goes. And there's also a SD card up to 256 gigabytes. So that's my quick unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi A3. Of course, we'll be doing comparisons with the Mi A2, especially with the cameras, and I'm hoping the cameras on this one are going to be much better. So thanks for watching, and as always, comments are welcome.
Yeah.